Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews on Sunday. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room, and I have so much to tell you about. So much that I actually am going to have to split it into 3 different videos because there's that much stuff. Yeah. So let me start off with what I've been sewing this week. I had company from Monday until today. I had to think about that for a minute. My aunt and uncle are roughly the same age as my husband, and so when we all get together, it is so much fun. And they were here Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then I had Thursday to get ready for Trish, who came and spent the weekend with me. Trish is Trish from Pinky's Farm. She has a YouTube channel. I will link it up here. And then on Saturday, yesterday, she and Michelle and Michelle from Michelle Sews Again, actually, I will link her too. And you can find both of these down in the description box. Also, we went thrifting. We had such a great day. And there is just nothing better than spending time with friends. So all of that to say that I didn't really get very much sewing done because I had company and I was visiting and, you know, all the things. But I did have to come in here for a little while and just kind of, you know, I don't know, let my brain kind of do something I really like and that didn't have to do with people. Because as much as I would love to think of myself as an effusive extrovert, I am not. I am very much of an introvert, and also I live a very solitary life. I can, you know, my time is my own and I can do whatever I want. So what I wanted was to sew, and I had this all cut out, so I started it. This is Vogue 9357. And if you follow Sian at Kittenish Behavior, I'll link her channel below too. She's made this dress several times and I've loved it every time I've seen it on her. Now, she has a teeny tiny little waist, so we'll just see how it works out for me. But I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens with it. Now, this is a working muslin, so it might end up being a wearable muslin. I don't know, but I'm not just doing it for fit. I'm also doing the whole thing, just to see if I like the pattern, if I don't like the pattern. So it's gonna be a finished garment, even though it is a muslin. So it looks currently like that. I'm ready to put the armhole binding on. And so been working on that when I've got a chance, but obviously I didn't have a chance this week other than Thursday, and that was it. Also, I am having to work on a few things that are have-to sewing, you know, like sewing, catch-up sewing, UFO sewing. It's not really UFOs, kind of is, kind of isn't, but I'll keep you posted on those as I finish them. One is my daughter's blankie, and it was funny, I had the dress that I'm working on spread out here on the table, and I came in this morning and her blanket was on top of everything. It's like, way to be subtle, babe. You know, you want your blankie fixed because, you know, it's kind of obvious. So anyway, okay, so Thursday was my birthday. It was no big deal. My husband took me away. It was fun, whatever, you know. Went to the beach and had a good time. Had the best ice cream I've ever had. Oh my gosh, it was so good. I got a card from a very sweet friend. This was from Carole. She has a YouTube channel called So Carole. She just said, very sweet things like happy birthday and all that. And she and I have become really good friends. So it's kind of, I love that. I will link her up there too and down below. So that was basically all the sewing. Earlier this week, I got a package from Inspired Leather and she sent a card. This is Madi from Madi Sews. And I had ordered this from her and then she sent me a little bonus too. Madi is amazing in what she can do with leather because she can engrave it. She makes hats, she makes bags. You definitely should check out her website, and again, I'll link it below. But I got this little box and in it were a ghost from Pac-Man. Now this one is engraved and it is for my machine needles to go in, and you can see that it's got little holes on the top. Heavy duty, universal, stretch, and Microtex needles. So you can see there. And it's so cute, isn't it? So cute. It's just, and then it says inspired leather on the bottom. I just love it. Oh, he's gonna go over near my machine. And I specifically had requested this. It's R2-D2. I love it. It's also got spaces for my machine needles. So it'll be nice. I can split them up. Like if I have a double needle and I want to stick it in there, I can. But this is definitely going over right beside my sewing machine. Oh, I think she did such a great job on this. And I think she may be offering these on her website. I know definitely she's offering these. So 2 little pin cushions from Lottie. Oh, I love it. I love it. So yeah, I had a good week. And then Trish came and she spent the weekend. She went home today. She came on Friday. And I'll tell you what, I feel like she's my other half. She can guess what I'm going to say before I say it. You know, she's like a sister. And first, and she brought me some birthday things. And so let me show you some of those. One is, these are stickers. One is macarons. And this is notable because she loves these and my daughter makes them. And so my daughter made her some and she feasted on them all weekend. So sticker with macarons. She has several stickers here. A couple of them are coffee. And I think this one's gonna go on my sewing machine. It also says coffee. There are several other ones there, like here's a flamingo and several others, but this one I love. Y'all. And I can say that because I lived in North Carolina, even though I'm not from there. And then she also brought me a sheet because she knows I love this kind of a pattern on a sheet. Look at that beautiful floral. This is a fitted sheet. I think it's a full size and it's microfiber and it's going to make a beautiful something. I'm not sure what, but she just knows my taste and she has very similar taste. And so, oh, I love that. And then this is a box of maternity patterns for me to be able to use for my daughter. Actually, there are only 3 maternity patterns that I think. The rest are, well, there are a couple of swimsuits. These are vintage. And the rest are all Laura Ashley. Look, Laura Ashley. Little kids pattern. I have these 4, but I don't think I have the same sizes. And then there is one other one, and it's this little dress, which is so cute. This is from 1975. Oh, I love a vintage pattern. So she has been very good to me for my birthday. So that was all of that. And then the last thing I want to share with you is a package that she had for me that came to her from Adam, who is Adam from Adam Sews. Once again, check up here to see his channel. And I haven't opened it yet. So let me do that right now. He sent it to Trish with something else that he sent to Trish, for Trish. And then he said, can you pass this along to Jen? Adam, I love it when I get gifts from you. You are fantastic. Oh my gosh, look. It's a little bag and it's got, look, what are these? French bulldogs, I think is what he has. He has, Luna is his dog, and Luna and Dobby, I think is the other one. I can't remember. But just a little travel pouch. And you know what? I travel so much that I'm going to work on in the coming month for July. I'm going to make it my a goal to redo all of my packing cubes because I use them all the time. And I'm finding that I'm traveling a lot, and I'm going to travel in August. So, okay, what's inside? Ooh, I thought it would just be empty, but ooh, look. It's just plain blue inside, but oh my gosh, I can put all kinds of things in this. And just, he is so talented. Man, the workmanship on this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this. Lace. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Adam, you have no idea how timely this is. Look at this beautiful, beautiful lace. I have a black dress over there in that refashion pile. Oh, it's not refashion, it's UFO pile. And Trish and I were talking about the fact that it's too short. It needs something on the bottom. This is perfect. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, Adam, you are too good to me. Entirely too good. Just entirely. And some of this lace. This is, I think this is embroidered like applique lace. Look at that. Oh, what am I going to do with that? Oh, I like that on that black dress too. And then some crocheted trim. Oh, I love this kind of stuff. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is wonderful. Look. Oh, Adam. Mwah. And that's not even everything that's in the bag. There's still more. And there's more. Oh, he sent me patterns. Oh, I love it when he sends me patterns. Oh, and gosh, here's the card, and I didn't even open that first. You should always open the card first. It's just very polite. Okay, Jen, I found some lace in my stash I thought you might like. Love, Adam. He sent me one of these too. He sent Trish one of these. They're just adorable. I think he embroidered them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, and patterns, of course. He always sends me patterns. And I love that he sends me these because they're English. They're from England. So here is style 3498. It is, does it have a date on here? I don't think, well, yeah, I think it does. Does it tell me? Well, you know, their date, oh, 1981. So here we have this. Jackets, skirt, and pants. A little ensemble going on there. Oh, I love a pleated skirt. I just love a pleated skirt. And here's another Butterick with some skirts. Now, Butterick is not very good about putting dates on their patterns, but this one does say printed in England. Oh, there we go. Oh, pretty skirts. Gored. It looks like they have 3 or 4 pieces. So, you know, with the slits in the front. Very pretty. And then we've got Butterick 6176. Oh, it's like kimonos. Ooh, can you say beach cover up? Swimsuit cover up? Because I sure can. This is from 2015. I can never have enough of those because I'm always going to the pool and I always need something cute to put over my suit. So this is perfect. Oh, yeah. And the last one is so adorable. It's a Cynthia Rowley. Simplicity 1873. And this is from, where is it? Oh, it's on the flap here. It's from 2014. How cute is that? It's so cute. It's a jacket and a little dress. Oh, I love this kind of little dress, you know, with a little dirndl skirt or an A-line skirt. And then you can do sleeves or not. Oh, so cute. Just adorable. Kind of short, but that's no big deal. That's why we sew, isn't it? Adam, oh my gosh, you've just blown me away. I feel like, oh, and all on my birthday too. And his birthday is the same as mine. Oh, thank you, Adam. Thank you for being so sweet and such a doll. Okay, if you're not watching Adam, you need to go watch him, and Trish and Maudie. And did I mention anybody else? Carole and Carole. Okay, this week's question for Friday Sews was, what's your favorite fabric store? And I'll have to tell you, it's a toss-up, I guess, because Goodwill, because I thrift so many linens. But if I had to nail down an actual fabric store, I would have to say Hawaii Fabric Mart, because they're in Honolulu and Maui, and they may have other locations, but I got to know them from when I visited Maui, and they have the most beautiful rayons and gorgeous cottons too. They're what you would probably refer to as quilting cottons. Some are poly cotton, some are 100% cotton, but the actual prints are just gorgeous, like really gorgeous. So one of my favorite dresses is made from a rayon that I got there, and the shipping for there is not bad. They use flat rate US postage, USPS, and worth it because their prices are relatively good. I mean, things don't generally go on sale very often, but that's because they're such great prices anyway. Anyway, Hawaii Fabric Mart. Okay, I think that'll do it for now. I cannot wait to show you all the things I got at the thrift stores with Michelle and with Trish, both who have an excellent eye for things. So I'll save that till later. I hope you had a great weekend. I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. And as always, if you ever want to see a whole list of my Friday sews, check right over here. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. And many, many, many of God's richest blessings from my house to yours.